Hello and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to solve sort array by parity, and it's I think easiest question in our August Lit Coding challenge. We will be given an array of non-negative integers, and we have to return an array consisting of all even elements of a followed by all the odd elements of a. So we do not have to worry about whether they are sorted or not. We just have to return even and odd elements. Okay, so first of all, let's have a look at our example. 3 1 2 4. So our odd elements are 3 and 1, so they will come after 2 and 4. First our even elements and then our odd elements, and also all these outputs are fine. I mean, wherever our even numbers are coming before our odd numbers are accepted. They do not have to be in a certain order, like 2 4 and 4 2 3 1 and 1 3. All permutation combination and everything is okay as long as we have all the even numbers first in a first half and all the odd numbers in the second half. So there are several ways to do it, and I think the easiest way to do it is using two pointers, a starting pointer and an end pointer. Okay, so first of all, and I think it will use o of n extra space and o of n time complexity as well, because we are looping through our entire array. Now let's have a look at our code implementation. What am I going to do? I will use two constants or two pointers which will point toward the start of our array and end of our array, and I will use an extra array, a new array, to store our values. So our integer start, it would be from 0, and integer end would be a dot length minus 1, and then we will have integer array which would be equal to new int a dot length. And now we will have a element for integer element in our a. And then if our element is even, that is divisible by 2, then we will add our array of start would be equal to element, and array of start plus plus, and we will increment our value after using it. And in our else condition, if our array is not divisible by 2, which means it's odd, so we will add our array at the end of our new array, so it would be equal to element. And now we will just return our array, and let's run our code now. I think we got the right answer, 2413 2431. So don't worry about it not being exactly the same as our expected output, because only thing we have to do is our even elements should come first and our odd elements should come later, and it's working completely fine, and don't worry about this as well. Now when we submit our code, it's accepted. So I think it was extremely easy to understand, and if you want I can just try to explain it. Let's say we had a list of 1 2 3 So first of all it will just check, and now we in this will be our a. If this was our a, so it will just check for our first element 1. If it's not equal to and it's not divisible by 2, so it will just add or end minus minus, which means end of 3, or because our end would be 3, so it will add 3 is equals to array of 3 is equals to 4, 1, and then it will just subtract one value and end will become 2. And when it comes to 2, it's divisible by 2 of course, and our start will become 2, and so on and so forth. And then it will append 3, and our 3 will be at position second last position, yes, second last position, and then of 4 will be at second position, and that's how our array would look something like this, I think, if I'm wrong, if I'm right. Or end element would be 1, and then we will have 2, and then it would add 3 at the end again, and then it would add 4. So our array would look something like this. and that's what we are doing here. So thank you for watching my video. This was extremely short one and easy one, and yeah, we'll meet in next video.